Next, we'll adjust the X and Y axis to better depict our data. Because the X axis only involves people over the age of 38, we'll adjust it so it begins at 35. Currently, it runs from 0 to 80. To adjust the X axis, click along the numbers. You should see horizontal values axis appear, and then right click. You'll have a set of menu options appear. Click Format Axis, and there are several axis options that will appear. Change the minimum value to 35. Press Enter. You can close down this menu that appeared over on the right hand side. We'll do the same thing for the vertical axis. To zoom in the data, we could leave the vertical axis running from 0 to 160, but because blood pressures below 100 are uncommon, let's change the lower bound on the vertical axis to 100. Again, you can click to select it, right click to bring up a submenu and select Format Axis. You'll see the minimum value is currently 0. We will change that to 100. Press Enter again, close, and we see our new zoomed in chart.